Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Navadine here. If you're new, come one, come all. And if you're a long time subscriber, you know me love you like cook food. Let's get into the video.
Personality, everything you do, to me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
So today is gonna be like a really short video. You've probably seen from the title already. It is just, well, I titled it unboxing, but I've already seen the bags, and the truth is I'm actually having a hard time deciding on which one to keep because I can't keep both. So y'all gonna help me decide. I do have one that like my heart is more leaning towards, but I'm gonna see if like y'all share the same sentiments as me. So so here's my box with my bags. So the bag I'm talking about, guys, is the Coach Pillow Tabby in the size 18. So this is all the straps and everything. I haven't opened it because I don't know, like, would they have a problem if I'm like deciding and I've torn all this stuff off? I don't think so. But anyways, this is the bag, and in the off-white cream color, closer to this color. I look orange now, but you get a gist. It's a little bit of a darker cream. It comes with straps that match the same color as well, and then it has a little handle for it. I thought these were so cute from the time that they came out. I just didn't know if it was worth the money, but I actually got these £100 off. So if you know, they're normally just under £400, they're like £395, but I got it for $295. Coach has been running a sale, but I got mine on my bag. I've never bought from them before. Any site that I go on that I'm not like familiar with, I do go and read like, is this legit? Like, I don't know, I do my little research, and in the About Us, it tells you whether it's inspiration pieces or whether it's like an outlet and it's just sourced from the actual store, or whether it's just sourced from different companies that source legit stuff, if that makes sense. I don't know how to word it because the words ain't coming to my mind right now, but you get what I'm saying. So as far as I'm aware, this is a legit like outlet. So that's the bag there. So it has the CC on the front there with a little bit of gold hardware. As much as I like this bag, I think that I'm a little bit underwhelmed. This was the first thing that I saw and I really loved, but I just never got it because I didn't think it was £400 worth. It has the double pocket. It has a little compartment there, so that's the pocket there. And then it has another pocket there. And as far as I'm aware, there you go, it has a little card slot as well. So I like the fact that this is all squishy and stuff like that, you know. Let me show you which one I think has my heart singing a bit more. Like, I love the style of this, but I'll show you this one. I ordered the Pillow Tabby in the gold one. What do you guys think? I think, for me, that this is like, this piece stands out a bit more. Like, of course, it's metallic. Even look at what I'm wearing now, and I feel like this pops more than just the cream. The cream is nice and it's cute and whatever, but this is like a pop. Like, even if I'm wearing all black, I feel like I would wear something like this. It's a pretty light gold. There you go. It's like a champagne gold. I think I'm gonna show it when I actually unboxed it, and maybe I have a better shot of it. And I actually ordered some accessories to go with it already because I just wanted to feel it out and try it all together. This is a long strap, so it completely matches the metallic. I think the bigger one actually has a squishy strap, but this is just a plain leather strap. So that's the bag. Let me just stand up and see if it's giving. So it has the little rings that I can hook in on the side there, and crossbody. Guys, I think this is so cute. I thought it would look a little bit out of place in the summertime or spring or whatever, but I feel like this is something that's still a pop and can wear in the summer. Okay, and then it has the little strap that looks like this. Let's hook this in. Oh guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. Yeah, I think I'm keeping it, guys. I think I'm keeping. I'm not even as excited about the other one like that. Look at it next to the gold. Don't you? Which one do you like? Like, at first I was like, oh, the nude is more practical, but I really feel like, who needs practical when you want a statement piece? I'm just really loving this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, I really love this. Let me show you the little accessories that I bought to go with it. So the dilemma that I have is the accessories that I bought, which is the strap, because as you can see they gave you 2 straps. I love that actually. They didn't just give you one, you can detach both. A lot of times you get bags and you can't detach the top handle, but you can detach the big one, or the bag comes how it is and you can't detach any of the straps, but you can detach both, which means obviously you can play with it and make it funky and dress it down, or you can dress it up. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm going on holiday soon, so I think this right here is a look. So let me show you with the straps that I got. Yeah, I think I've decided, guys, but you tell me what you think. I got me a chunky gold chain. I think with the gold bag, the chunky gold chain doesn't look really nice, but I'm gonna put it on and show you. So that's the bag with the gold. You can wear it, but I don't know. I don't really love it. I don't know, maybe I would take this strap off, just wear it like that. I don't know if I love the two-tone gold, but I would try it. I prefer this gold on the nude because it adds a pop. So that is the nude one with the gold strap. It's still not really giving, is it? Yeah, it's cute or whatever, but I wanted the nude to be a lighter nude and not this brownie nude that is this beige. I bought this, guys, a pearl handle, and my pearl handle has like big to small. That's the bag, guys. Do you think that's so cute? This is so cute. I think this is like a little moment. Half of me wanted to send this bag back because I feel like the metallic can come off a bit cheap. Like it reminds me of like Primark bags. Like if y'all know Primark. Primark is in the US now, right? Yeah. Has it always been there? Anyways. Yeah, but I think it's cute. There's so many reasons why I didn't get this bag, because I'm trying to get like luxury pieces and I was like, this is just not luxe enough. I want stuff like, you know, you want your Gucci and your Louis Vuitton and your Chanel's and stuff like that. But I mean, like, it's nice to have some fun bags as well. This and like Jacquemus bags are fun. Like the little pops of color and these little, you know, girly bags. So that's it with this. Let's look at both of them. So that's both of them. So that's the beige one. It does look really cute with the beige one. And I think I fell in love with the chain. Both chains on the beige one. It's cute. But I just really think like the gold one is a moment. I wanted it to be a more bronzy gold, like a richer gold, but that would take away it being casual. Like you wouldn't really be able to wear it casually because it's too bright, if that makes sense. So this one, guys, or this one, which one would you choose? Don't be swayed by how excited I seem when I'm holding this one up, or the smiles that I give holding this one up. Honestly, which one would you choose? So that was it, guys. That was the video. Those were the bags that I wanted to show you. Leave a comment down below which one would you choose. And then if you guys care, I will actually do a like what fits in my bag. I just didn't want to do that yet until I decided which one I wanted to keep, because I didn't want to stuff things in the bag and then have it mess it up or something, and then I decide actually I don't want the bag. I don't really like it. So yeah, maybe I'll do an unboxing with like any little new bits that I have bought, because it was my birthday recently, but instead of splurging on items this year, I traveled. So you're gonna get to see that in a vlog. Stay tuned. It was lit. But and my girls don't have no behavior, so and don't forget, if you like this video, to please click like actually click it, because it really helps the video out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.